Sky High Lashes for their sponsorship. You'll know why. Hey Mela, Nykaa, why do you do this? Trust me, bilkul. Wow. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a very exciting Nykaa haul / review. I feel beauty products के लिए I take my own sweet time to use them, वरना उसके बगैर मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं पाती उनके बारे में. So this is going to be a very informative video because for products that I bought and didn't work, मेरे पास उनका substitute भी है. The substitute is super affordable, so end तक ये video देखना. And if you're watching my face for the very first time, hit the red button, join the Sunflower Squad. We make a lot of affordable lifestyle related videos, fashion related videos, fashion styling videos, and बीच में मेरे को मन करता है और मैं comfortable feel करती हूँ तो vlog भी कर लेती हूँ. Now let's just start with the long video. The first item is a full coverage concealer, which is a very recent purchase and I'm already in love. It's by L'Oreal Paris. It's their infallible full coverage concealer. ये range has been very popular over the years. इनके foundation and concealers मैंने बहुत तारीफ सुनी है, but I never tried it for myself. This was the first time I bought it. So जब ये Nykaa की hot pink sale आई थी, I was in the mall and I thought अगर कुछ पसंद आ ही रहा है, I wanted to try this out, but I wanted कि मैं shade match करके खरीदूँ. Online हो नहीं पा रहा था, so I bought it offline thinking कि डिस्काउंट तो सेम ही मिलेगा ना, but मुझे नहीं मिला. Nykaa, why do you do this? Online इस पे ऑफर था, offline मैंने full price पे लिया because I just wanted it. So save your money, get it online. Shade match करो offline and then buy it online. अभी online इस पे 10% off है. My shade is beige 314. It doesn't match me currently because I'm sort of tanned. मैं 2 दिन से बाहर धूप में घूम रही थी तो हल्की सी मैं tanned हूँ इसके लिए, but still the coverage works so beautifully in highlighting the under eyes or the bridge of the nose. ये literally full coverage concealer की तरह work करता है. काफी thick सा concealer brush है इसका, blends beautifully and looks amazing. 700 rupees का पड़ेगा अभी if you buy it and it's worth every penny. I don't know why L'Oreal has only launched 3 shades of this in India, which is इसीलिए आई थिंक ये इतना पॉपुलर नहीं हो पा रहा है. प्लस दिस स्टेज ऑन फॉर अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम विदाउट गेटिंग स्मज्ड. मैंने इसको लिटरली आज फाउंडेशन के नीचे लगाया है तब भी इट डिड नॉट मूव. सो आई लव दिस. नेक्स्ट इज अनदर रीसेंट परचेज. बहुत हाइप्ड है, बहुत सारे लोगों के फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट्स में से है ये, विच इज Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Setting Spray. This claims कि it gives you that instant matte setting spray look. 24-hour oil control, non-comedogenic भी है. I just bought because I wanted to try it out for myself. आजकल मैं setting sprays में काफी experiment कर रही हूँ. आगे के recommendation में देखोगे तुम लोग. This छोटू सा tiny bottle costed me around 600 something. अभी भी 10% off ही है. I'd have to say it works actually very well. मैंने 4 घंटे पहले ना setting spray use किया था. It still looks pretty good, which is quite impressive for Maybelline. इनका I think first setting spray, I did not have a lot of expectations. The only thing that I don't like about this is इसका spray. मुझे ऐसा लगता है बहुत बड़े ड्रॉपलेट्स छोड़ता है मेरे मुंह पे. इवन दो इट्स बेटर देन फेसेस कैनेडा का जो एक ग्रीन बॉटल आता है, उससे तो काफी बेटर है, बट स्टिल मुझे इसका स्प्रे उतना फाइन नहीं लगता. इफ आई एम जस्ट शूटिंग ऑन अ रेगुलर डे, दैट्स ओनली व्हेन आई यूज दिस. अगर मुझे कहीं बाहर जाना है, इट्स एन इंपॉर्टेंट डे फॉर मी, आई यूज अनदर सेटिंग स्प्रे विच आई शो यू अहेड. बट दिस इज अ ग्रेट setting spray nonetheless. It feels very comfortable and does work on controlling the oil, क्योंकि 4 घंटे बाद my face looks like this. If you are somebody who's not into makeup a lot, just basic stuff चाहिए which doesn't disappoint you, Maybelline is the best bet. And they're always affordable as well. Now it's time to thank the sponsors of the video today. I am super happy, like literally I jumped on this opportunity for their sponsorship. You'll know why. So my love for Plum Body Loving Vanilla Vibes has no bounds. I have their body mist, body oil, even their deodorant cream thing in the same fragrance. It's their best selling vanilla fragrance and it is long lasting as well. It has a very warm, comforting vanilla like fragrance, literally like a bakery. And now they've brought a new twist to it with their new Smoking Vanilla Body Mist and EDP. It's a unique vanilla fragrance with the perfect blend of warm vanilla notes with a smoky twist. Perfect for people who want a perfect blend of something sweet along with something which is also night appropriate, making it a standout choice in your fragrance collection. Now the reason why I absolutely loved getting sponsored by them was because उन्होंने जो products मुझे sponsorship के लिए भेजे हैं, मुझे वो खोलने की भी जरूरत नहीं, मेरे पास वो लिटरली दोनों हैं. आई एम यूजिंग देम. दिस इज आई थिंक माई 3rd बॉटल और ये तो मैंने आई थिंक दिखाया था 1 महीने पहले ही मैंने लिया है. I'm using both of them already. The EDP was something new. I did not have this in my collection. So मैंने ये packages तो खोले भी नहीं है because I already have them. Now the notes start from honeysuckle and woodsy with vanilla and balsam with amber and musk as base notes. So it's the perfect blend of vanilla and something smoky. The mist retails for 575 rupees and this is a pretty travel friendly bottle as well. मैं तो इसके साथ travel कर चुकी हूँ, it never leaks and it's pretty long lasting as well. अभी I literally smell like smoking vanilla every single day. And in case you need something more strong and more long lasting than their body mist, then definitely go for the mini perfume version. This is such a gorgeous bottle with equally stunning packaging as well. It says each spray and most importantly, love vanilla. I do. This one gives you long lasting fragrance up to 10 hours. Very purse friendly packaging, like it's so tiny you can drop it in any of your purses and very easy to use as well. You just have to spritz it over your pulse points and neck. And another hack, if you really want something super long lasting, spray your body mist and top it over with the EDP and you'll be shocked. Because you'll be smelling good all day long. Now all Plum body loving products are vegan, cruelty free, and I'm gonna link them all for you guys in the description box. Also you can get these fab fragrances under 500 rupees by using my code Ishita15 on plumgoodness.com. ये तो मैं घर में रखती हूँ अपने washroom and all में, क्योंकि जब भी मैं नहा के निकलती हूँ I have to use them. But this one has become a permanent whenever I'm traveling for events या फिर ऐसे daily बाहर भी जाती हूँ because I love it. I'm super happy to be collaborating with Plum Goodness for this because any which ways ये तो मेरी इस list में आने ही वाला था. From one favorite to another one, which is going to be a blush by Pixi. It's their सबसे viral product on the glow blush tinted moisture stick in the color ruby. I think ये ruby ही था. Yes, hydrating solid cheek tint, use on cheeks and lips. मैंने इसके बारे में एक रील बनाई थी which worked really well. It literally had my heart from the first day itself. मुझे इसको use करके ही लग गया था कि that color just flatters my skin tone so well. If you are a warm toned person ना, this would just work on you. This is that warm pink cum ruby maroony सा color which looks super good on Indian skin tone. Yes, it comes in that twist wala thing. I think 2000 रुपए जो मैं दे रही हूँ is legit for this packaging only because it's super fancy. And I know water tints are way more trending, but somehow I feel this is super long lasting than compared to the water tints. मेरे pigmented lips पे water tints hardly show up, so इसलिए again this becomes a new favorite. I don't think so I've ever stepped out of this house without this on my face. जब से मैंने खरीदा है, this is an absolute favorite. And yes, मैंने full cost पे लिया था almost. इसके साथ मुझे काफी free samples मिले थे. One was I think the Glow Tonic. I think Glow Tonic को ये लिया था, काफी सारे samples मिले थे, free samples मिले थे मुझे. Glow Tonic did not impress me a lot. Like it's great, it's glowy, it's very nice. But I think वो summer की जगह winters के लिए ज़्यादा useful होगा. अगर मैं इसे summers में use करूँ, my face looks like an oil factory instead of glowy and hydrating. But this one is definitely worth the money. If you want to splurge on blushes ना, go for this. Then we have an eyeshadow palette. I think मैंने Huda Beauty वाली अपनी eyeshadow palette बहुत बार दिखा चुकी हूँ already. This one is from their second last sale. It's by Makeup Revolution. Forever Flawless Bird of Paradise नाम है इसका. It's super colorful, I know. I bought it for this exact purpose कि in case if I ever need to do something colorful on my eyes, this is the one I should go for. I absolutely love the blue and the steel. ये pink वाला मैंने पूरे Barbie season लगाया है with this exact color. Either I was using the pinks from this or या फिर Huda Beauty वाला palette. I have the Rose Quartz one. Now Huda Beauty वाले at least 3500 के ऊपर जाते हैं. This one costed me around $1000, which is so damn affordable, and you get so many good colors, like 3 into 18 colors with glitters and हल्के से metallic shade as well. Beautiful color range, beautiful color payoff as well. So I am in love with this. I somehow feel कि eyeshadows का वो trend ही जा चुका है. Nobody is doing colorful eyeshadows, और मैं तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं करती थी any which ways. But this is like a good option if you are somebody who wants to invest in their makeup palette and don't want to splurge a lot. इसके भी और बहुत सारे versions आते हैं. Nudes version भी है, maroonish version भी है. So check it out. Makeup Revolution always has been one of my go-to affordable palettes वाला option. Sale में 1000 का था, अभी का price would be somewhere on the screen. Now I finally bought the Maybelline's viral क्या है Sky High Lash Sensation. मैं बहुत फंबल कर रही हूँ, बट ये वाला मस्कारा यार आपने हजारों वीडियोस देखी होंगी इसकी तारीफ करते हुए, एंड आई वाज सो हैप्पी because wait, I got this combo which includes the mascara and nude nuance lipstick. लिपस्टिक को मैंने खोली भी नहीं, लिपस्टिक लिटरली फ्री थी बिकॉज आई गॉट दिस जस्ट फॉर 799 रुपीज विच इज द एक्चुअल प्राइस ऑफ दिस मस्कारा. इसका वॉन्ड एंड ऑल इज वेरी नाइस, वेरी फ्लिम्जी एज वेल, तो वो अच्छे से आपके कॉर्नर्स में घुसता है. बट समहाउ आई फेल्ट दिस वॉज नॉट lengthening enough for me. Like volume wise it was still good, but मुझे लगा था second coat के बाद it kind of looked very clumpy, very messy on my face and did not give me enough sky high lashes. So I'm not impressed with this. Plus ये waterproof है तो इसको निकालना is another झंझट. I do have a dupe. Dupe क्या, इससे better performing mascara for half the price. This is by Essence. It's their Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara in this green wala packaging. It's the OG. This one is the most hyped one and this one is the one that you should go for. This is what I have on my eyes right now. मैंने इसको Benefit के False Lashes, Falsies वाला minis मैं दिखा दूंगी यहाँ पे, उसके साथ भी कंपेयर करके देखा है. This is literally comparable to that. And उसका मिनी इस वक्त 1200 रुपये, ये मुझे इतना फुल साइज 300 रुपीज़ का मिला है. एंड I kid you not, this is one of the best mascaras out there and super affordable as well. Maybelline के सारे ranges को भी मैं भूल जाती हूँ whenever I use this one, so I had to recommend this. I have two more mascaras to talk about, but I think मैं वो reels में करूँगी instead of this haul video. But this one is the best. अगर आपका पुराना mascara खराब हो चुका है, expire करने वाला है, dried up है, go for this one. You will not regret it. Then I have a beauty product, a hair tool actually. So every time in the last 6 months you've seen curls on my hair, it has been only because of this curling wand. It's by Alan Truman and this is one of the most widest wand I could find and इससे इतनी bouncy, थोड़े मोटे कर्ल्स वाले बीच वेव्स बनते हैं ना, जस्ट परफेक्ट फॉर मी. दिस इज एग्जैक्टली द काइंड ऑफ कर्ल्स आई वॉन्टेड फॉर माई मीडियम लेंथ हेयर एंड इट सूट्स मी सो डैम वेल. लव यूजिंग दिस, इट्स सो कन्वीनियंट एज वेल. मेरे पास इससे पहले हैवल्स का एक रिमूवेबल वाला वर्जन था बट उसका कर्लिंग वॉन्ड वॉज हार्डली इतना. एवरी रील वेर यू सीन कर्ल्स इन माई हेयर, इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. इट्स सुपर कन्वीनियंट. बस मुझे ये बाल अपने फेस के opposite direction में curl करने होते हैं. I will try to make a detailed version of it, but this is definitely worth the price you pay. I think मुझे सेल में 2800 something का पड़ा था. I love Alan Truman because I also have been using their blow brush since ages and it still works as new. मुझे कभी भी जल्दी से quickly blow dry करना होता है तो I go with this baby on my hair and इसी को use करने के बाद I felt like curling wand मुझे Alan Truman का लेना चाहिए and these two have been just amazing. नायका की सेल्स में अच्छा प्राइस मिल जाता है इनका, नहीं तो गो एंड चेक ऑन Amazon as well. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, बहुत रेयर ऐसा होता है बट कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि अच्छे प्राइसेस Amazon पे होते हैं. देन वी हैव अ प्रोडक्ट जो आई थिंक इतना हाइप्ड है, मुझे बस एक बार रिपीट करना है बिकॉज आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट अगेन. इट्स द Laneige स्लीपिंग मास्क इन बेरी. ये मुझे सैम्पल पीस मिला इन PR एंड इसलिए मैंने बस ऐसे रैंडमली इसको यूज़ करना स्टार्ट कर दिया है एंड स्टिल आई हैव थोड़ा सा मोर of it and I know I can buy it again. I will buy it again because this hands down has to be the best lip balm ever. I kid you not, even after the worst of cracked lip phase ना, this somehow just fixes it. इसका जो thickness भी है, it doesn't feel heavy on my lips. I love using it. जो इसकी छोटी वाली bottle है 500 something की, वो भी आपको महीनों last करेगी. So if you seriously have cracked lips now, go for this. This is a no-brainer. I'm including this again even though ये मुझे PR में आया था because I love it. Lastly, I wanted to talk about all my recent foundations that I've been using. I recently ordered from the last sale was K by Katrina का hydrating foundation in the color 125Y medium. But ये अभी मेरे लिए बहुत light है. I mean, it's hydrating, it's very dewy. That's what I love about it. Dewy है, but ऐसे coverage में कोई difference नहीं बनाता है. So that's why I love this. मेरी ये bottle, if you've seen the vlog, टूट गई थी मुझसे, सो आई वाज सो हार्ट ब्रोकन. मैंने दोबारा खरीदा बट अभी दिस इज स्लाइटली लाइटर फॉर मी बिकॉज मैं कश्मीर से आके बहुत टैंड हूँ. सो व्हाट सूट्स मी करंटली इज Nykaa All Day Matte. It's the shade 06 Beige. This one fits me perfectly and All Day Matte is not matte वाला foundation. It's still dewy, हल्का सा very semi matte वाला finish देता है but coverage and all is beautiful. Doesn't oxidize much as well. Suits my skin tones. Looks very flattering as well. And ऐसा कुछ बहुत ड्राइंग आउट वाला भी सिचुएशन नहीं है. सूट्स नॉर्मल टू कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन perfectly and I love this one. But recently I got in my PR something from Nykaa, which is their matte to last pore minimizing foundation. I love their new packaging. It's very sleek. Beige and black का combination है. मेरे पास इनके 6 shades आए थे and I think closest to my current tan skin is 05 medium. This is what I have on my face right now and it has lasted so nicely, so beautifully. It still hasn't faded away. बहुत oxidize भी नहीं हुआ है. Looks very natural as well. मुझे लगा था BB cream जैसी situation ना हो, but foundation है, मस्त coverage देता है. Like literally यहाँ मेरे acne marks काफ़ी हद तक covered हो चुके थे. So I wanted to give this one a shout out as well. पहले दो were bought by me. This was something that I got in PR, but I am liking it and I know for the coming few weeks I'm gonna use this one only. I think this is great if you are planning to buy something for travel purposes because glass bottles is something बड़ा difficult होता है. This tube वाला thing is so safe and I love it. Last I want to end this with PAC के setting sprays. I think the micro finish by PAC makeup fixer is just beautiful, very hyped up and मैंने खुद 3 bottles खत्म कर चुकी हूँ. ये वाला भी खत्म ही हो गया था and I was actually going to reorder this one on the instant fixation prep and prime makeup fixer again by PAC. Somehow I noticed कि इन दोनों की quantity is same but ये सस्ता पड़ता है, so this is more affordable for the long run क्योंकि ये मैं बहुत जल्दी खत्म कर देती हूँ. I use it every single day. इसका mist is so damn fine. Can you see? It's literally like a sprinkler जो चल जाता है ना गार्डन में, एकदम fine as fuck. इसका मेरे मुंह पे गया ये. But yeah, इसका spray is just so damn fine that I kind of like it a lot. But इसका is equally good as well. It's not as fine. हल्का सा ही थोड़ा strong है, but it works just as beautifully. क्यों मैं अपने मुंह पे ये छिड़क रही हूँ यार, रुक जाओ. ओके, स्प्रे में बहुत ज़्यादा वास्ट डिफरेंस नहीं है बट कॉस्ट में डिफरेंस है एंड आई लव दिस. जितने भी इंपॉर्टेंट इवेंट्स मैंने रिसेंट टाइम में अटेंड किया है ना, इन सब में आई ओनली यूज दिस वन एंड अभी भी आई विल से दिस मेबलिन के सेटिंग स्प्रे से मच बेटर है ये वाला. सो समबडी कॉमेंटेड कि लेट मी नो अबाउट द रिव्यू ऑफ दिस. इट वर्क्स ब्यूटिफुली. इट डज मेक श्योर कि मेरा कंसीलर वगैरह मूव ना करे. व्हाट आई डू ऑन जनरल डेज इज इसको तो स्प्रे करती ही हूँ, फिर वो जो ब्यूटी बफ आता है ना पिज़्ज़ा वाला छोटा सा, उस पर भी स्प्रे करती हूँ एंड आई डैब इट ऑन माई ऑयली पॉइंट्स लाइक नोज के पास एंड अंडर आइज पे इफ आई हैव टू गो आउट एंड इट लेजिट मेक्स श्योर दैट माई मेकअप एंड फाउंडेशन डजंट मूव, डजंट स्मच. मैक्स टू मैक्स जब होता है वो मेरा ब्लश उड़ जाता है या फिर मेरा मस्कारा फैल जाता है इफ आई क्राई ड्यूरिंग अ मूवी और समथिंग. वरना दिस वन इज अ हाईली रिकमेंडेड makeup spray by me. I have to say repurchase करने वाली because it's beautiful. And with this we've finally come to the end of this haul. I think मैंने खरीदा था और बहुत कुछ था but I did not want to make a very lengthy haul. I wanted to show you all my favorites and जो भी चीज़ें बहुत hype थी and didn't work for me उनके कुछ substitutes. Let me know if you found this helpful and if there's a product that you want me to review. I take my own sweet time in reviewing. मैं बहुत जल्दी trend पे jump नहीं करती हूँ. That's just me, but trust me, बिल्कुल wow. घड़ी निकल गई मेरी. But trust me, it's my unbiased, एकदम honest opinion about all the products that I just shared. Also, the shout out of the video goes to Tahiya Tarunum 4455. I hope I'm not butchering your name. Literally बहुत ही इंस्टेंट रिएक्शन था वो बिकॉज मेरी वो स्ट्रेस में मैं लिटरली बाबी की माँ ही लग रही थी. इफ़ यू हैव सीन माई अर्बैनिक हॉल देन यू नो. ये टॉप भी बाय द वे अर्बैनिक का ही है एंड द इयरिंग्स आर फ्रॉम अ ब्रांड जिसकी मैंने रील बना दी ऑब्वियसली. सो आई लिंक देम ऑल बिलो एंड दैट इज ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो. आई सी यू वेरी वेरी सून. बाय.